Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to GIGASET GX290. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing app called CLONEit. After that, open it on both devices, tap Allow and agree. You want to go with Sender on an Android to send your files and Receiver on GIGASET GX290. Give it access to this device location and also to contacts. Now I want to tap on Available Device, in this case it will be Android Share. So I have to tap on it, and from here I have two ways to connect. I can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, tap Allow and scan it. Accept connection request by clicking OK, and you want to tap all of those folders to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time. I will click here to choose details and send only one file. In this case it will be this song. So I have to tap on it, click Start and OK. Now wait and tap Finish on both devices. When I go into Files and choose Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!